Hello everyone, welcome back to Opportunity Hunt. So today we have something unique and life-changing opportunity that is Unstop Talent Park 2025. So this competition is not just an internship opportunity, it is a chance to upskill and earn a cash prize and even land a full-time job with a stipend of 1 lakh per month. So let's dive in. So we are going to discuss all the details about this competition. So what is eligible criteria, who can apply for this, and what is the competition structure, what is the cash prize or the rewards that you will be getting, each and everything discussed in this video. So watch this video till end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where will you get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, the lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So now let's start the video. So first off, let's talk about the Unstop Talent Park is what all about. So Unstop Talent Park 2025, it is an innovative competition designed to help the participants to upskill and grow while competing for amazing rewards. So the highlights that about this competition is the cash prize you will getting up to 1 lakh, and internship with the Unstop offering a monthly stipend of 1 lakh. The internship can be even converted into a full-time role. So this is the thing, the highlights of this competition. It's open to everyone, students, freshers, and even experienced professionals. So no matter where you are in a career journey, this is your chance to shine, right? Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria and who can apply for this. The competition is open to the graduates and postgraduate students, freshers, and working professionals. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or looking to pivot your career. Unstop Talent Park welcome everyone, whoever ready to upskill and unlock their potential. Now let's talk about the competition structure. There are of three rounds. So first round where it is learning the boot camp. It is a 7 days where the participants complete one active per day over 7 days. Activities are free and designed to help you upskill. Important that is, this is an elimination round, so ensure you complete all tasks. The round 2 is independent upskilling where it is a 30 days. The shortlisted participants can use unstopped resources to upskill on their terms. Spend as much as time possible on Unstop, where you will be completing the activities and enhancing your skills as well. Now, the round 3 is a final interview. The top participants are interviewed for the internship role with the Unstop. So, each round is designed to push your learning and showcase your commitment to the growth. Now, let's talk about the rewards and the perks that you will be getting from this competition. So winner will be getting a 1 lakh cash prize plus internship with a 1 lakh monthly stipend. The first runner up will be getting a 50,000 cash prize plus internship with 1 lakh monthly per stipend, and the second runner up will be getting a 30,000 cash prize plus internship with 1 lakh stipend month. And the full time opportunity where the internships can be converted into a full time role which is based on the performance, and some of the exclusive discounts on 40% off on a 1 year subscription to Unstop Pro, a 50% off on a mentorship sessions, and Unstop merchandise where the finalist will be receiving a cookies worth of 5,000. So that's not all. So the learning of experience and the networking opportunities you will be gaining is a priceless. Now, why should you participate in this competition? Right? So the Unstop Talent Park 2025 is a must try. First, where you'll be getting upskilling the opportunities, where you'll be using the Unstop platforms to enhance your skills and the structured manner, and you will getting a real rewards like earning the cash prize, internship, and exclusive perks, and you will have a career growth and securing a high pay role with the Unstop. Getting a networking opportunity where you will be joining the community of a like-minded individuals and industry experts, and also having holistic development where from the technical skills to soft skills. So this program covers it all of the skills that you need to have to crack any job. So this competition is designed to help you to succeed in today's competitive job market. So make sure you look into it once. Now the main part, that is how you can apply for this. It is very simple. The link in the description box. When you click on that link, you will get redirected to this page, and you can simply press on register now button. You can register for this competition. Make sure you have an account in Unstop before you register for this competition, and then you can simply go to press on the register button. You can register for this thing and check your email for the daily activities during the round 1, right? So that's all you need to know about Unstop Talent Park 2025. So whether you are a student, fresher, or professional, this is your chance to shine. Apply now and start upskilling and make the most of this incredible opportunity. So if you found this video helpful, so please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also hit the subscribe button for more amazing updates. And also let me know in the comment below that what excites you the most about this competition, and I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity.